Good morning. Start again. Good morning, Year 5. Today we're going to be looking at word problems, and as you've seen this week, we're going to be looking at multiplication word problems. So, you've got your pen and paper ready for today's fluid. Right, today's number is 90. Oh, nice easy one. Let's see if we can do this one in record time. I'm ready to go. So, you've got your pen and paper ready. So, double 90. This is really easy today. Okay, so if you still need a little bit more time, you are more than welcome to pause the video, because now we're about to go over the answers. So double 90 equals 180. Half of 90 is 45. Add 10, 100. Take away 10, 80. Times it by 10, 900. Divide it by 10, 9. Add 1,000, 1,090. 90 squared is 1,800, and if you've managed to do the quadrant challenge, the answer is 22.5, or 22 remainder 1. Okay, depends how you've worked that one out. Right, moving on. Who's that handsome chap in the corner there? Let's have a read of what the question says. Every day Mr. Bottomley spends 49p on a packet of crisps. How much would he have spent in a week? There's a handsome chap in the corner there, eating crisps. Anyway, moving on. So, 49 times by 7, because we have 7 days in the week. Okay, so set out your work as we have been doing throughout the week. 49 times 7 equals, well, first of all, we need to do 7 times 9. 7 times 9 equals 63. So 3 down, carry the 6. Okay, all this should be fairly straightforward for you now. Okay, then 7 times 40 equals 280. Add the 60, this equals 340. Then 7 times 9 equals 343. That's your final answer. Okay, just give you a couple of seconds just to digest that, and then we'll move on to today's activity. You can pause this, you can rewind and go back and have a look if you're not sure. Okay, all the information is there for you. Right, today we are looking at word problems. Okay, so have a read of the question. So I'll just go over the first question for each of these, and we're looking at Jacob. Okay, on the red group, Jacob wants to give 23 football cards to each of his 6 friends. How many football cards will he give? So what you've got to do there is 23 times 6. Okay. Green group. Jacob wants to give 43 football cards to each of his 26 friends. How many football cards will he give? Okay, so that one is 43 times 26. And finally, using what we did yesterday with the working on decimal points, Jacob runs 5.83 kilometres every day. He runs every day for 2 weeks. How many kilometres does he run in that time? So 5.83 multiplied by 14, because there's 14 days in 2 weeks. Okay, all the work is on Purple Mash. So once you've completed, submit it so the teachers can see your work. Okay, and finally, AJ says that 312 multiplied by 14 equals 4,366. Is that correct? Can you explain why? And finally, Fatima says that 524 multiplied by 27 equals 14,148. Is that correct? Can you prove it? Put your answers in the comment section on Purple Mash, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you can do today. Good luck!